Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are going to start off this video by doing a brow tutorial. It was requested by one of my viewers, so here we go. I am no brow expert, but this is what I do and this technique works for me. I am going in with my Milani brow pen, and it's a mechanical brow pen. And as you can see, I am lifting up my brow to create an arch shape, and then I just follow that shape with the pencil to fill it in. I brush off some of the excess color to give the brows a very natural look, and then I gradually fill them in some more. And now I'm just going to clean up the brows. This step is very important. I am using the LA Girl concealer to do so. And this takes a lot of practice. Everyone's brows are totally different, so definitely do a technique that works for you. But I am hopeful that this helps someone, and I am just using the angled brush by Sedona Lace to just line them up. Now onto the face. This is my Mary Kay primer. And I'm just applying the Milani Prep Set and Glow Powder to create a nice base for my face prior to putting on my Mary Kay foundation. So before I put on my foundation, I am going to correct some spots on my face. This is the LA Girl corrector, and I am using the orange corrector as it is good for women of color. So if you're my shade or darker, the orange corrector will work the best. And I'm just going to buff that in with my buffing brush. Now moving on to the concealing. I don't do this step in all of my videos, but when I decide to glam up my face a little bit and I want a flawless look, I do this. I will conceal prior to putting on my foundation with a color that is closest to my skin tone. And this is the Toffee shade by LA Girl Cosmetics. And I am buffing that into my skin as well. And now here is the foundation. This is my Mary Kay matte foundation, and I'm just buffing it in with my buffing brush. And now I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Mary Kay eyeshadow primer. And this is such a great primer as a good eyeshadow base. Now, moving on to the eye look, I am using the Morphe Second Nature palette. And I purchased mine from Ulta, and the first color that I am going in with is called Fawn. And let me just point this out. Just looking at this palette, I have noticed that it would be a great, less expensive alternative to the Naked Heat palette that is by Urban Decay. Urban Decay's products are a little pricey, and if you're not into splurging on makeup, I highly suggest this palette. And Morphe has other palettes that are great as well, and very, very affordable. The next color is called Heat. And I'm just taking a smaller, fluffier brush. The bristles are a little bit smaller. I didn't want to use the other brush I had because I just wanted the color to not be that harsh, if that makes sense. And now going in with a Blaze, I decided to build up the oranges that are in this palette to create that orange look that I was going for. And now with my Black Radiance Concealer in yellow, I'm just going to put that on my eyelids as a nice base for the next color that I'm about to use, because I wanted that to show up very, very nicely. And I wanted the color to pop. And the color is called Amber. And it was a very pretty orange color with a little bit of shimmer. And that color is called Universal. And I'm just placing that on my brow bone. Now I'm going to line my eyes with my waterproof liquid eyeliner from Black Radiance. I am creating a winged liner. And this is my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara that I am applying prior to putting on my eyelashes. These are Kiss New York lashes, the Wispy 01. And I put the glue on the lashes, let them dry for a couple of minutes, and I am just placing the lashes on my lash line with a pair of tweezers. Here is my Mary Kay concealer in light bronze. This is the highlight concealer that I am going to use, and I am just buffing it in with my buffing brush. So I decided to do a cream contour with this look, and I am using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C16, and it's a few shades darker than I am. And I am very happy with how this cream contour turned out. The concealer blended in very nicely. It wasn't dry. Sometimes the concealers can be a little dry and have a very matte formula, which makes it hard to blend in. But this concealer blended in very well, which makes it a great product to contour with. This is my Black Radiant Setting Powder in Banana. I am just going to set my concealer with this powder. Super lightweight, super easy to use, and it is a very good powder. And so I'm going to place that, I guess, light brown color. It's kind of like a nice bronze color that's in that Black Radiance medium to dark contour palette. I just put that on the apples of my cheeks as a blush color. Now moving on to the highlighter. This is the Milani highlighter in shade number 4. Now taking some of those same colors that I used on my eyelids, I am just going to put that on my bottom lash line and line my eyes with it. I'm applying some mascara on my bottom lashes. And I was very happy with how this look turned out. It's kind of a very fall look as well, with the oranges, very pumpkin-ish. But I like it. There are no rules in makeup. You can wear whatever makeup in any season. That's the way I feel. And so I'm taking my Mary Kay lip scrub and just scrubbing my lips prior to putting on this matte lipstick, just to get all that dead skin off. And this is the Fenty Beauty Saucy lipstick. And y'all, let me tell you, I'm not exaggerating. I went out and bought this lipstick from Sephora. And this is the best orange lipstick that I have ever used, hands down. So yeah, the look is done. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.